Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
Street lighting project model is used for street projects that require proper lighting calculations to ensure energy efficiency, visibility, and safety for the road users. The process is almost the same. You have the project, you enter the project data, project street lighting test, street lighting test for the free DIALux evo course for beginners. Then you enter the date, address. Would like to, I'm gonna enter Tenerife again, Tenerife, Morocco. Well, what am I doing? Tenerife, Morocco. Then I can enter a description, select an image if I'd like to, add more contacts. Then I have the planning. This part here combines the 3D modeling and the lighting, so you do both. This tab here, roads, it's where you do the 3D modeling. Then you have the luminaire section, it's where you do the lighting. Then you have here where you can take views. You check the results here. Once everything is ready, you go prepare the documentation, and voila.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.